This building is, probably 16 months old now. We have our lulls here and there. Right now we're stacked, which we're really excited about. We're into February on mount schedule. We're again the new kids on the block, and we got to go out and show people who we are. It's working. We're gaining momentum, but we don't expect anything given to us. We want to earn it. We're investing in demos, and our guys are out there busting their tail. We're demoing front loaders, automated arms. We got demos on order for 2021. I think we just placed an order 2 weeks ago for the mobile refuse. I think we have 6 trucks coming for 2021, because that's what we believe in. It's supply and demand. You have to make an investment. You have to have it. People need it. They need it now. Yeah, if we all had a gazillion dollars and could just say, well, we're going to have 4 or 5 trucks lined up just in case we pick up another account. That's not real life. It doesn't work that way. You know, just picked up another township, just picked up another big customer. I need something. I need it quick. I need it now. We're really going out of our way moving forward in 2021 to be that company, to work with our customers, to work with our truck guys. And the relationships that we're building are phenomenal.